Wait, Hamid. Zamzam is not ordinary water. There is a proper way to drink it, according to Islamic etiquette.
Oops, sorry, Mama. I was just so thirsty. What is the right way?
First, you cannot spill like this. You should always face the Qibla. Stand up while drinking. Take it in 3 sips and recite a special dua before you start.
That's right, son. And our Prophet, peace be upon him, said that whatever good intention you have while drinking Zamzam, Allah fulfills it. Come, let's recite the dua together.
اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا ورزقا واسعا وشفاء من كل داء.
Walking here together now, smiles and happy.
Let's now recite Sa'i Dua together. إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله أبدع بما بدع الله به.
Baba, why are we walking fast between these green lights?
Hamid, this is the story of a very loving mother. When Prophet Ismail alayhi salam was just a tiny baby, he became terribly thirsty in this deserted desert. His mother, Bibi Hajra, radiallahu anha, ran between these 2 hills 7 times looking for water. Allah loved her effort so much that He made walking here compulsory for every pilgrim until Judgment Day.
Wow! So how did the water come out, Baba?
When Bibi Hajra returned to her baby, she saw that right where little Prophet Ismail had rubbed his heels against the ground, the best water in the world was gushing out. That is what we call Zamzam.
لبيك اللهم لبيك. Here I am, oh Allah, here I am. لبيك لا شريك.
Yay! Our Umrah is complete! But Baba, why are we inside this giant white tent now? There's no TV, and where is my bed?
Today is the 8th of Zil Hajj, which means it's the very first day of our Hajj. This place is called Mina. Hajj teaches us patience. People from all over the world, rich or poor, sleep right here on the ground in the exact same kind of tents.
MashaAllah, Abu. That means, in the eyes of Allah, we are all completely equal.
Absolutely, my princess.
Exactly, Emaan. Now, we should spend our time here remembering Allah and doing extra prayers.
لبيك اللهم لبيك. Here I am, oh Allah, here I am.
All right, children, tomorrow morning we have to leave for the greatest and most important plain of Hajj.
To find out, don't miss our next episode, The Plains of Arafat, the biggest day of Hajj. Allah Hafiz and fi amanillah.
All power belongs to you. La sharika lak. You have no partner.